Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smartband 10, and one of its cool feature for this wearable is the game watch faces. Yes, you can have or you can download a watch face that is also a game. So it's a 2-in-1 watch face. A watch face that tells the time, and at the same time you can play on the screen display of the Xiaomi Smartband 10. So we will try to check the available watch faces with games for this wearable and see if there are missing games for the Smartband 10. Based on some of the comments online, there are missing games for the Xiaomi Smartband 10 compared to the Xiaomi Smartband 9. I think we have at least 5 games, but they say it's only 3. So we will check on that in the support app, the Mi Fitness. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the game watch faces for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. We are already paired with the support app, the Mi Fitness. So if you want to download games for our Xiaomi Smartband 10, go to the Manage Band Displays. Recently, I think Xiaomi updated or have an over-the-air update of the wearable. Its first update for the band, and it says that it added games for the smart band. So let's see. So we have here new and recommended. Let's check this. Let's see if it has the same number of games for our wearable. Okay. Some says that the game is only Fighter, 2048, and Nerd Wars. Let's see. Okay. So we only have 3 here for new and recommended. Let's check out the all section. So we have fresh and fun. Usually it is available here. It's loading, and we only have 3 here. 2048, this one is animated. I already checked this. We have Nerd Wars and Fighter. The 2 missing games that we have on the Smartband 9 is the Cross the Bridge. So it's not available here. And the other one, I think it's the shooting game, if I'm not mistaken. So we have here the shooting game. So we don't have the shooting game. We only have at least 3 games here. I don't know why they removed the Cross the Bridge. So far, that is the best game here for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. So this one is also okay. So let's try the Nerd Wars. So we'll have a sample download, and let's see if it works okay with our Xiaomi Smartband 10. So as you can see here, it is now installing update. Let's wait for it to complete its download. It's now syncing. And we have here the game. Still, it's installing update. Let's wait for it. So we have the time, and we have the game dashboard here. So installing update. Let's wait. And 100%. So applied successfully. So let's try. Stop play. So 33, correct. And this one, correct. 6. Okay. Defeat. So we have a score of 4. So you can start and play again another game. Okay, so we have the battery here, the time, and the date, and of course you have also the details here for your heart rate, the calories, and the steps. When you tap on it, you can play with your Nerd Wars or Nerd Wars game. Let's check. Expand. So answer the question before time runs out to earn points and prove you're the brainiac. So this game is very good so far. I like this one. Plus I don't like the 2048 here or this one. So this one more of a gesture game. If you're going to check this, if you are exercising, I think this one is also good. Test speed and strength of your punch. Okay, so you have to punch to use this one. I like the cross the bridge also, but it's not available here. Hopefully they will update this and add more games, not just 3 games for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. So that's it for the demo of the watch face games for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. Again, this is a confirmation. We only have 3 games for the Smartband 10. The cross the bridge and the shooting game is not available anymore. I don't know if it's available in your region, but in my place it's not available. I also checked other users, okay, from different country, and they only have 3 games for the Xiaomi Smartband 10. So that's it for our review. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.